Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition of Awesome Calls Trading Trade Review. I'm AJ. Um, Currently, right now, the market is tanking pretty aggressive. It's been an all-day afternoon sell-off, and it continues and continues and continues to the downside. There's, what they used to say, blood in the water, and the sharks are circling. Uh, Market is just crashing of fear, nothing more. Uh, so. But we are trading the market really, really nice. I'm going to take a little bit of zoom. What they give me? Good. A 39 fill. So let me see. See if the zoom pops a little bit again. I like that momentum right there. I'm trying to aim for 112 traders. If I can get just a nice little pop right here, 111.80. I'll take that even here. I'm up a little bit. I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. Let's see if I can get 111.80 on this scalp here. There it goes. I'm up. I'm up. Yeah. Let's see. There's 61, 66. There we go. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Just keep going. I'll take some here. Okay. So I think it's got one more pop. Still have a little bit. See if it gets up there. I don't want it to slow down too much. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. I just want 112. I can get out of that because I'm starting to see Tesla move. So I can pop that. See if I can get that just a little bit pushed. There it goes. There it goes. I can get that. Made $50 on that. Okay. There's the 112 on Zoom. If you took that trade, there goes the pop on Tesla. Just kind of moving slowly, very slow. Nothing big, nothing big. Very slow, very slow, slow, slow. Got that. Another $30, $40 on that one. There goes Zoom. All right. I'm not saying this is the turn, but I'm doing Zooms now. 112. It should pop to that 20 area and then be done. Probably pull back. So don't go in there too much longer. 112.20 should pop it. And then there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Sell right into it. There you go. I got that. Out of the trade. There's 112. Got a little pop here again on Tesla. I'm kind of scalping. Let me see if I can get through 694. So let me see right there. Got it. Got it. Another $50. $74. Got that. I'm popping now on shop. I don't need much, just $2.50 more to go. TD is the one I've got to recoup, but I'm not too concerned about that. Okay, here's Tesla again. There goes Zoom. I can probably pop Tesla a little bit more. Got it. Another. Oh, come on. I sold it. Oh, okay. They gave it to me. I don't like it sometimes. They stall. All right, getting a little curl traders. Are we? Oh my gosh, I'm recording this. Okay, well, I've made over $200 on just Tesla alone. And there goes Zoom for more. So are you playing with me or are you just kind of watching what I'm doing? Okay, here comes Tesla. Pull it right there. Pop it right there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Sell it right there. Nice. Nice. Zoom is popping more. There goes Tesla for more. Just trying to get up there. Trying to squeeze a little bit. Got a little bit of buying activity going on. Not much. Zoom race to 113. Okay, there's the pullback now. Now we wait. Okay, TDD is moving up. Shop is moving up. Okay, I'm almost green on shop. I just need another dollar to 50 cents to go. I'll probably be greedy and want more. Okay. So I will sit tight for a moment. I do like these pops though, traders. I do like them. And we're still 12.45. All right, so I added about a couple hundred more to my bank account from Tesla. I'm still down on TDD and Shop, but once Shop gets through 465, it's on. That's what I was talking about, this base here, traders. You see this base that was going on? It looked like it was basing. Not to say it wasn't over on the selling, but it looked like it was basing. Okay. And I nailed, obviously, this Tesla to move up. So I was really happy about that. Got that nice spike there. It's a 4-point spike, so I got a few of those. Okay. All right. So where were we? Okay. On our trading today, what we did, we traded DRAD. I took 2 coronavirus plays, actually 3 of them this morning. I laid these out perfectly, how we were going to trade them. Went after Beyond, Zoom, and Splunk. These were plays that were done in this week. Some of them were gapping down, and I felt that we had play in them today, so I wanted to play them. And then I went after our go-to stocks, Facebook, TDD, Shop, Tesla, Apple, and I threw in a CY Energy play on a merger that may or may not go through. So I was really happy with these calls. So let me just kind of go what I wrote and just what I did for everyone in the chat room that had an opportunity to come in here. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to do was Shop. I wanted to pop it, so I wanted to long it at the open and to about the 490 area and then sell off. Of course, it did that. Um, NVIDIA, I initially wanted to long the stock this morning at this 260 area, and I wanted NVIDIA to pop to 268 and then sell off, which it did. The next one I did was Apple. I called this one at 281. Max Attack, I showed you an actual alert of when I went in there long, and I got 290 on it. I obviously didn't say the whole move, but I got paid on that one as well. The next one I did was Beyond Meats. This was a 91 entry, and this one went to 95, 96 per my notes. The next one I did was AOBC. This one was a long at 650, 675. I told the traders it would go to 850, and it did. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Hold on. Hold on. I think I could get one more pop here. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let me go right there. I got it. I got it. I got it. Oh, come on. They only gave me $14 on that one. That sucks. I should have deserved more. Yeah. I'm up over 500 almost on Tesla alone. I really enjoy this trade. It's very easy to read, really easy for me to bounce. I totally get it. Yeah, it goes again. Just got $61. I'm up $535.51 on Tesla alone. I'm currently almost green on Shop. So TDD is the only thing that is left to do. I'm going again on Tesla. It's pulling down, pulling down. It's trying to edge up. It's trying to edge up. So I'm going to be patient. Hold on. Nope, I don't like that. I don't like that pull, but I like that. Here we go. I'm going to go right here. Let's see if I can get that quick pop right there. Right there. I got it. Okay. $546.20 on Tesla. Good, 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 good. Okay. All right. I can probably do one more, but I'm going to be patient right now. I'm going to be patient. And what I'm doing right now in front of you live on the screen is this Tesla. What I'm doing, I'm green almost on Shop too. So these moves right here, I scalp them because these moves are $1 to $1.50 for me. So I scalp these moves. Like a move like this, I will wait for the pullback, long it, boom it, pop it, and I get that 40, 50, 60 cents. See that right here? Okay, I'll show you right here. Here's one. See the pullback? There's that pullback. Then I wait. See the pullback? So I'll watch it, and then I'll kind of go ready. 1, 2, I got to feel the stock, though. I have to feel it. Hold on. Hold on. It's holding right now. It's holding. That's a good thing. So it's holding. So I'm going to go right there. See, I just nailed it. I need $70. Now I'm up $600.15 on that trade. $600.45. You see how I played that live? I just wait for the pullback, push it up. Here comes my shop now. Shop now. I am green. I can sell it right now. Full on green. There goes my Tesla. I'm doing very, very good right now. Very, very good right now. My shop is moving now. I can sell it right now. I was down over, what, 400 on that? Now I'm up. So I can sell it right now. Okay, I'm up now. I can sell it right now. It's 73, hold on, 466. I can sell it right now. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I think I'll sell it right now. Okay, I just sold shop for money. Only thing left now is TDD. If TDD hits 255 before the close, I'm green for today. Okay. Okay. So I played shop off the bottom, added, 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 added. Tesla's now moving. Here's the curl that we wanted. The market is turning a little bit. Everyone just remain calm. Just relax. Just relax. All right. Everyone relax. Everyone relax. Let me put this back on screen right now. So far being on screen, I've made over about $450. I think I might take this, go in for this Zoom here. Can you hold on 1 second, traders? Yeah, I think I might take that right there to 113. I think it's got a push coming. I want to be careful though, because it does bite me. I don't like to get bit, but I think I can push it to 113. Yeah, let me see if I can. Don't bite me, but I think I can get it. There's I can sell half there. Okay. And then I can sell the other half right here at 113. 113.10. Okay. Okay, so I just made another $70. Do you mind if I continue to trade live, traders? Are you okay with what I'm doing? I'm trying to give you as many opportunities as possible because I'm just I'm having fun right now. This is what I do. Okay. So I hope you don't mind. Okay, here comes Tesla. A little bit more. Tesla wants to push. So I will go for it. Grab that right there. Thank you very much. It looks like it's going to push a little bit more. Okay, there goes Zoom. Zoom is doing good. Tesla wants to push. Zoom is now 113. Imagine if you were in the room and playing that with us on Zoom when you took it when I took it. Wouldn't that have been great? Shop is now 466, which I've already sold, so I didn't need to really do that one. Right, so spreads are opening on Tesla. They kind of took on me on that one. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. Yeah, it's okay. They took $30 of me on that one. Okay, so I'm going to kind of chill for a moment, see if this stuff settle in. If I see another surge, I'll get in there. So we played Zoom. I wanted to short at 124. Stock came down to 107. Apple, as I said before, longed it here, and it went to 290 per my notes. These are all written down. Uh, Beyond Meats was a long at 91 to 95, actually 96 per my notes. AOBC was a long at 670, 650, 670 to 830. And DROD was a nice play for us. DRAD was an earnings play, Figured it would pop at the open towards, we were going to long past 6, take it to 7. If 7 hit, we were hitting 8, and then we were going to short the stock. Really sensational numbers on Gerard. Okay. And then, of course, we went long Splunk in our great chat room. I was looking for Splunk to long here at 135 this morning at our weakness. Stock went all the way to $140. Okay. All right. So we added a few dollars into our bank account. Uh, if I can get TDD to get up there, I am green for the day. I may end up overnighting it. So that's it. It's the only trade left. And I would have ended up green for today. Market is pushing, so I can continue. All right, traders, I'm going to stop the webinar, and I'm going to continue to trade now. All right, take care. God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye.